Jolene from Ride the Wind e-bikes. This is the all-new 2024 TAUBIK SOHO 5.0 or 50, SOHO 50. And this is what people have been kind of needing. This is what we get. Do you have bikes with shorter seats? And so if we had a bike with a shorter seat, then it wasn't the upgraded components. And so this, I'm 5'3", is your step through cruiser style with a lower seat height. And believe me, this is the lower seat height. Now, lower seat heights are great, but when you're pedaling, you do need your legs to extend a little bit, right? You don't want to be pedaling like this. But you know, some people like that, so they want something that has a shorter seat, so they feel safer, they're more comfortable, and that's this one. That's this one. We'll do a comparison with last year's version of the SOHO and what are the differences, but it's a 48 volt and it's a 15 amp hour Samsung, and it's a UL2849 certified. That's a really big deal. TAUBIK, this is something that's going to be mandatory with electric bicycles in North America, and TAUBIK is ahead of the game by making all their 2024s. They've done all the regulations for that. So what that means is there's a few things, like the battery is an intelligent BMS system, so you can't overcharge the battery. It has sleep mode. It tells your calories, among things like that. So it's just got it's upgraded technology, which is safer, and that's always a good thing. This bike is exceptionally equipped with the big LCD screen, all colored. I'll show you that in a second. But hydraulic disc brakes is a really important thing in electric bicycles for safety. I mean, these can do up to 40 kilometers an hour, and especially going downhill. But perfectly equipped with your rack, your fenders, your suspension, 7-gear Shimano quick shift. This is really easy to use. Those other ones where you have to push up high, they're not as user friendly. So this is upgraded. They've got some support for your wrists here. These handlebars are all adjustable, so you can do that, but you do need an Allen key. But this one, other bikes, and again, I'll do another comparison to the Blackburn TL, which is a bigger version of this. These ones have the 26-inch tires, so they're kind of that in between for street, and you can do a little bit of road and gravel with that as well. They come in 5 different colors. Oh, and they are $22.99. No, I lied. They're $24.99. And sorry, my butt's wet. And see, and they come in 5 colors. Blue, which is this one, and if you come closer, you can actually see this has metallic in it. It's really nice. And it comes in the taupe, which is like more of a beige, mauve, which is a purple, red, and black. Love TAUBIK for their color options, because if you're going to buy a bike, you want something pretty. Actually, go back here. I'll press and hold for 3 seconds. I'm going to show you the screen. So sorry, you can't really see it because I don't want to take that off for the customer who buys this. But you have your up and down for your assist, 1 through 5. I have other videos about how that works. But a nice upgraded screen and integrated front lights and rear lights. And I always like to show this off. Brake lights. How beautiful. Even when the sun's coming down, not necessarily at night, that's a big safety thing. That's huge. So I just got it out of gear here. So yeah, these are available now. Bye from Ride the Wind. Yeah.